one amazing trick that I'm going to show you in this video. So let's get started. So I'm going to show you an application by which you can use your Android phone with only one hand. Its name is Smart Cursor. You need to install this application, then open this application, then click on next button, then click on grant permission, then click on Smart Cursor, then turn on this. Then click on next button, then click on grant permission, then click on turn on, then click on done. So then click on how to use. So you can see you can right swipe from here to use this in your Android phone, and swipe from left from here to use it from your left hand. So if you like my video, click on like button, then click on share button, or if you want to get all my videos at time, click on subscribe button, then click on bell icon button. Bye bye.